Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of laptops.
And I'm excited to introduce you to what I believe is the best laptop for lawyers currently available in the market.
This is the Lenovo V15 Gen 4 business laptop. A powerhouse designed to meet the demanding needs of legal professionals. Let's start with its specifications. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 3 7320U processor. This laptop ensures smooth multitasking and seamless performance. Crucial for handling extensive legal documents and running various applications simultaneously.
But that's not all.
With 16 GB of high-speed RAM and a spacious 512 GB PCIe SSD, you'll have more than enough memory and storage to store your case files, research materials, and legal documents securely. The Lenovo V15 boasts a vibrant 15.6-inch Full HD display, perfect for reviewing detailed contracts, analyzing evidence, and preparing presentations with precision and clarity. And for those late-night sessions at the office, the anti-glare screen ensures minimal strain on your eyes, allowing you to focus on your work comfortably for hours on end. Now, let's talk connectivity. With a comprehensive array of ports including USB Type-A and Type-C, HDMI, Ethernet, and more, you'll have no trouble connecting to external monitors, peripherals, and networks, essential for collaboration and client presentations. And let's not forget about security. With the built-in webcam and Windows 11 home operating system, you can rest assured that your confidential client meetings and sensitive data remain protected at all times. In summary, the Lenovo V15 Gen 4 business laptop combines power, versatility, and security, making it the perfect companion for lawyers who need a reliable tool to navigate the complexities of their profession.
So, if you're a legal professional in need of a dependable workhorse that can keep up with your demanding workload,
look no further than the Lenovo V15 Gen 4 business laptop. And that wraps up our review.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews.
Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay productive.